To make this Christmas You a shady bitch. Did you press record? Shady. So we all know I love the holidays, everything that comes before it and after it, but hello, who's the queen? It's Mariah Carey. She's everything. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus! She's the skinny legend. If you don't know, now you know. Google. So this is gonna be my version of a spicy skinny margarita for the holidays, and we're gonna name it the Skinny Legend. That's right, skinny, skinny. So, I need therapy. Let's go! Amazing. Just sounds, the things that they do to you.
I love this song.
We got all the makings to make you ho 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 happy. We're gonna do a little white tequila, or tequila blanco as the kids call it.
Tequila.
You're gonna need a little bit of club soda. I'm using my favorite LaCroix flavor. I'm going to do a little diet cranberry because this is a skinny legend. Some jalapenos, fresh cranberries, limes, rosemary, and then this is my Manuka honey, and a little bit of monk fruit sugar, which is just a 0-calorie sweetener, because I'm enough sweetness for you. Oh, all right, 1 lime. Key to a really good skinny margarita is the fresh lime juice. That's just, it's just good. I don't like the tip, and I'm sure you've heard that before. Nothing but the tip. Nah.
No, God, please, no!
I like it spicy, which means I use 4 slices. They look like this. I'm just trying to help you out. I cut a few extra because I like to garnish with them because it's a skinny legend. It's a spicy, skinny margarita. Just the holiday version. Holiday, celebrate. And if I could sing, I would have so much fun. Okay, drop these little bad boys in here. Boop, boop. Meow. Excuse me, spoon. I'll spoon you later. Now, a little mash. Oh yeah, we're breaking it. Ow, it's dangerous up in here. Pinched a nerve. All right. Spicy.
Why is it spicy?
It's my drink, so I don't have to use the spoon. I don't have to be fancy. Don't let your grandkids do it. They're out there like searching for worms in the, No. Tequila. Tequila next. This is 1.5 ounces. In the essence of the holidays, I would like it to have some color. So I'm gonna do equal parts diet cranberry juice. It's not to the color of my liking. So I'm gonna do another ounce. That makes it, what, 2.5 ounces. Oh, I got a C in math. Here we go.
Good job.
All right, so we're gonna do just a little The color I am liking, perfect. Need to make my rim. So I'm gonna use my Manuka honey. If you don't know about Manuka honey, now you know. Do a little Google search, look at my Bobby Boy Living page. It's the tastiest, amazing honey. It is not the honey you get in that little gold bear, even though he's quite adorable. And then we're gonna dip it in our snow, AKA monk fruit sugar, which is just a 0-calorie sweetener, because why? Why, class? It's a skinny legend. Skinny legend, bro. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So I want to strain it because I'm afraid I still need a little bit more of a darker color. And no, actually I like that color. So keep all the measurements, keep them. Ooh, yeah, get it. I get very excited when I make anything for the holidays. Now we want to garnish with 4 cranberries. Yes, I'm being precise, because as I'm responding to all of you, you're like, do you use 2 limes or 1? Do you use 5 cranberries or 3? 4. You know why? 3's a crowd, but 4's a lot of fun. Okay. I'm not done yet. So I need a little fresh twig of rosemary from my rosemary bush. I need my little sparkles. So here we go, a little LaCroix. Now we're done, you're right. I was getting so excited to taste this bat. No, I only want 2, sorry. Bam! That looks legit. This looks legendary for the skinny legend. I think Mariah Carey would have a few of these with me, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
You wish that was you, huh?
All right, kids, I've done my homework for today. Maybe not homework, I just did my work. So if you don't know what to make for your holiday party, or just like, I don't know, cuddling on the sofa, or I don't know, just a Monday morning at the office, I think you make the skinny legend. I've enjoyed you. I appreciate you. And obviously, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and call me, DM me, tweet me. I don't know. Send me love notes.